Hi everyone, Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods, and this is our final video for this 5-week series discussing our top 5 picks for foods you should incorporate into your diet for a happy and healthy new year. But before we get started, you know what we have to do. Health disclaimer time. The information you're about to receive is for educational purposes only, is not intended to treat, prescribe, or diagnose any general or specific medical conditions, and is not intended to be a replacement for your primary healthcare provider's diagnosis, treatment protocol, or medical information. With that said, let's get started. So, for this final video, the food pick that we've chosen is collagen protein powder. Collagen protein powder, in our opinion, is one of the #1 foods for supporting what is known as our structural foundation: joints, ligaments, tendons, cartilage. And collagen contains some really unique compounds that are found in no other food. These unique attributes make collagen a genuinely fantastic food and traditionally considered foundational for all that ails you. Collagen is a protein the body produces that supports the structure and function of hair, skin, nails, cartilage, bones, blood vessel, and connective tissue. It is the human body's most abundant protein, and it represents 35% of its dry weight. It comprises 19 essential and non-essential amino acids and 3 chains wound into a tight helix, each having 1,400 amino acids long, or each being 1,400 amino acids long. Collagen is primarily made of the amino acids glycine, which is 33% of your total collagen, hydroxyproline and proline, which represent 22% of total collagen. Well, there are technically 28 types of collagen that differ based on molecular assembly, cellular components added, and where the collagen is used in the body. There are 5 primary types. I'm going to quickly review what those 5 are. Type 1 makes up about 90% of your body's collagen and is densely packed to provide structure for your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Type 2 is found in elastic cartilage, which gives cartilage its strength and its elasticity. Type 3 is a significant extracellular matrix compound found in muscles, arteries, blood vessels, and organs. Type number 4 is the primary component of basement membranes, which are thin layers of extracellular matrix that form supportive structures that are found in your skin, which forms the backbone of that skin. And type 5 is what are known as collagens that help in the forming of the actual collagen fiber of types 1 and 3 collagen, optimal for the formation of quality tissue. Type 5 contributes to the interstitial matrix of muscle, liver, lung, and placenta. Now, let's discuss the difference between gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen. This comparison is actually about something other than which is specifically better. It is for clarification so you understand these raw materials, their use, and their proper application. There are 2 levels of what are known as hydrolyzed collagen, or this process of how you create hydrolyzed collagen. There's partially and there's fully hydrolyzed. Gelatin is a partially hydrolyzed collagen because it does not go through the crucial step of being broken down by enzymes. Partially hydrolyzed gelatin also has what is known as a higher molecular weight, making it soluble only in hot water, and it will solidify in cold water. While this makes a superior ingredient regarding a thickening agent in soups, stews, and desserts, and is also excellent for making gummies. However, some might consider this, meaning gelatin, a slightly less versatile raw ingredient. You may also know this raw material by its other name, Jello, Jello. And as we all know, as our mothers used to tell us growing up, there's always room for Jello. Fully hydrolyzed collagen, or also known as collagen peptides, is soluble in both hot and cold liquids and is highly versatile. In simple terms, gelatin is the cooked form of collagen, and hydrolyzed collagen is gelatin that has been more highly processed to break up the protein chains for better absorption. You may be wondering why we picked collagen over other protein sources for this specific list. So here is what makes collagen protein so unique. 1. Collagen protein displays a low indispensable amino acid profile. 2. As a functional food, collagen is a source of physiological active peptides and conditionally essential amino acids that have the potential to optimize health and address physiological needs posed by aging and exercising. Collagen has a unique amino acid profile because it's high in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These 3 amino acids comprise 50% of collagen, and the other 16 of the amino acids found in collagen comprise its other 50%. Tryptophan is the only essential amino acid that is missing from this mixture. While proline and glycine are considered non-essential amino acids, they are also considered what are known as conditionally essential during times of illness, stress, and trauma. And this powerful trio of amino acids is only found in collagen protein, nowhere else in the edible world. Therefore, the lack of essential amino acids to make a complete protein in this case is actually completely irrelevant because of collagen's function and purpose. So, how do we suggest you use collagen on a daily basis? Well, unlike other protein sources that can help build and sustain healthy muscle due to a more balanced and complete amino acid profile, collagen is an excellent source of the building blocks and functional material used to make connective tissue, again, for our skin, hair, bones, joints, and organs. Z Natural Foods has an outstanding selection of collagen and collagen-based products, both beef and marine sourced, that make it so simple to incorporate into your daily lives. From beef bone broth to hydrolyzed collagen peptides to collagen creamers, Z Natural Foods has got you covered. Simply adding 1 to 2 tablespoons to any warm or hot beverage, coffee, tea, or if you want to make your own hot cacao, allowing collagen to perform its magic. Adding our collagen or bone broth to soup is another easy way to consume this magnificent food. And remember, it brings that soup or that broth up a notch nutritionally. So, with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this 5-week series talking about Z Natural Foods' top 5 food picks to incorporate into your diet for a happy and healthy new year. And we at Z Natural Foods wish you the best of health and a great new year. This is Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist, signing out. I'll see you next time.